Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through how you can do the inner placket. As you can see how it looks like. Let me take you through how you can do it. Very unique, with a unique design on top of it. Let me draw it closer to you and you see it, how the design looks like. That's how it looks like. So if you are new to this channel or a returnee, I thank you for watching. Watch till the end, you will like it. And now, when we are starting, we are going to start with ironing our hemming gum, rather our stiff cloth on the front panel. It has to be at the length of 14. So as you see mine, I'm going to iron it in the middle of the front part. And when I'm ironing it, I'm going to iron it and it will exceed the front part, because the stiff has to cover from when the neck starts from and till downwards. So you press. As you see, it has exceeded half inches. So shall yours be also. As you can see, you have to press it so that it does not disturb you when you are making it or look funny. You have to press it very well. As you can see, it has really gummed very well. So after doing that, we'll iron in the middle part. We iron in the middle part because we need, when we are sewing it, we are sewing it in the middle part. I'll continue to request you to stick on to this video until the end, because where we are going, it's where there is it's where the technical part is. So I request you to keep watching. If you again are returnee, I thank you so much. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel and leave your comment below. So after ironing in the middle part, you are going to see that, you see that line that has come out. That is the facing. It has to be at the wideness of 4 inches. So at the 4 inches, we are going to iron it, and it will have also the middle part, because that's what we are going to fix in the middle to do our facing. So you also press it, or you iron, to look for the middle part. You have to be careful while making it, because if you have not been keen on what to use, or you have not ironed very well, it is going to look funny in front. So you iron in the middle of that, and this one, it's going to be down, so that when we are fixing the buttons, it will sit on it. I've just used sit, but you'll see how it will come out. So you get the hemming gum on the second cloth. You get the hemming gum, you hem it, or you iron the hemming gum on inside, so that it can be a little bit hard, because that is what is going to be under our inner placket to cover the body and the neckline. So that's what we are going to use. So we are going to use that one, and we use the facing, and we use the front panel. Let's go and see how it turns out. So when you are sewing, first of all, we are going to first trim it. We remove what we don't want. We trim it. We trim it. So after trimming it, and you have to make sure that what we are using, you overlock it to avoid disturbing you, because if you have not overlocked, they will be small for you to overlock when you have just done them. The line we end has to face that front panel line. So you see how the length. So our length is going to be at the length of 11. At the length of 11, that's where our design it is going to end from. So we mark where 11 is. So after marking, we get our facing and we fix it in the middle part, because that's where the inner placket is going to be. So since we are sewing it in front, the middle part, it also has to exceed the front at half inches, because at the end we need, when we are putting our collar, for the facing to be at the edge. So when you are sewing, you make your foot to be closest to that line, and be careful when you are sewing it, because you don't have to sew amiss or to sew out of the line. So you have to be closest to the line. I'm going to zoom and you see it very well. You end from where we ended, like as you can see at that point, that's where we are going to end from. But make sure when you are turning it, because you turn it and you just a little bit of it, because we just need a little space in front of our shirt, as I've just done mine. So when you are doing yours, you have to make sure that it is close. So we are going to cut in the middle, because we have just sewed either sides, and make sure you repeat it like 2 times in the same sewing thread that you first sewed. So when you are cutting, you have to be careful, because if you cut very long or you cut a miss, when you overturn it, you will not like the result. But be careful when you are cutting it. So you put a notch at the end. You put a notch at the end to help you overturn it, because remember what we are looking for, it is our placket to look uniquely, and when we have sewed it very well. So you see that what the facing has just done, we have turned it inside, but on top of it we want to put a unique design. A unique design, it will be like that. You can turn it inside or you put a unique design, as you can see. Now we are going to do the ironing, and I will be back to you showing you the result. When you are ironing, you make sure that you turn it on the front side. Don't turn what you have cut on the facing side. You turn it on the front side because it will help you to harden the edge where you are going to be sewing from. So be careful on that when you are sewing. Now the results are just sewing by themselves because that is the design that we are looking forward to have as our end result. That's the design that we are looking forward to see. So we are going to do a little bit of pressing it so that it does not lose the size. We just need a small size, not big but a small size. So I'm going to press it so that I keep the design. I thank you for watching up to now, but we are remaining to see how our placket will look very nice. As you can see how it has turned out after ironing. So what we are going to do after ironing, what we are going to do is to fix the button. I can say button placket. Yeah, I can say button placket. But remember, we are having a top stitch all around our placket on the facing. So you sew closely or at the edge of the placket. Be careful because the 7 inches are on the other side. So we are going to first sew from where we shall end on the right side. You sew it at the 7 inches up to the top, up to the neck. You see, up to the neck. Leave your comment below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If the video has been unique, as I've just said unto you, you leave a comment. If you want to learn something on this channel or a question, leave a comment in the comment section below. So what we are going to do, because at the end we like it to be as close as you can see, so let's bring this and we are going to fix it right there. We are going to fix it so that it looks at the end of our video it looks nice. So we are going to fix it inside. That's where, as I told you, to cover the body and the neck, where the buttons we shall fix them. So you also sew from the edge of the placket or the design. Let me zoom rightly here and you see it very well. Sorry about the shaking, but now as you can see, we are going to sew from that edge all around. So be careful when you are sewing. Do not go speedily because when you rush, you will sew amiss. So by so doing that, what we are looking for to see it is that our placket looks very nice and unique. It's going to be unique and our clients will like it because it is very nice. Not like the usual plackets, the ones I've just made in my previous videos. If you haven't, go and watch them because they also have a message for you to be able to do a nice placket. Okay, and now turning the round. So we are going to sew from there up to where we started from. So you tighten a little bit. So now our placket is just done, as you can see, I know you have liked the video. Leave your comment below. I read it, I answer you. Leave what you have just learned, and if you have not gotten it right, which I think you have gotten it right, leave your comment below. I really appreciate you for this love you have showed on my channel since we started it. And now you trim it. You trim it, and our placket is ready. You see beautiful how it looks like. You see how it looks like. Thank you so much for watching my video, and thank you for sticking with us. Subscribe, share it, for more new videos that are coming up. I really want to move with you and show you the tremendous sewing techniques when we are making our fashions. I celebrate you. Thank you so much.